Hi guys, welcome to my Covert Action Bar YouTube review video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the Covert Action Bar is very helpful in your career of online business. This tool, this Covert Action Bar, it is a very simple tool which shows you step by step how to convert the traffic that is coming into your site or into your blog into something that can be sellable or into sales, and then from sales into the affiliate commission. So once again, it's a very simple step by step that shows you how to convert a given traffic into sales. So let me first take you into the sales page. This is basically the sales page. You can get access into this sales page via the link that is given in the description of this YouTube video. So if you go to that link, then it will take you into my the bonus page. So these are basically my bonus page. These are very custom made bonus pages. So if you click the white button here, then it will take you into the sales page, and after you go to the sales page, then you can simply press this button to buy your product. This button to buy your product. So let's go to the overview of this product. So if I go to the Apple page, this is the page, this is the slice page. Okay, for 10 years, the past 10 years, Microsoft has been brainwashing your website visitors to react in a certain way. This brand new plugin taps into the psychology, grabs your visitors by the eyeballs, and forces them to click on any link you want. So basically, this software or this tool, as you know, blogging is one of the most effective ways to generate free traffic these days, and Google loves WordPress bloggers. With very little effort, you can easily rank high and get lots of traffic to your blogs. Yeah, you can make that traffic into your blogs. But the important thing about this software is how we can use those traffics into sales, affiliate commission. But it can be very hard to convert all the great Google traffic into actual leads and sales. So this is where the product fits in. You see, most of your blog visitors have gone completely blind. They have seen all the banners before, and they know they are being sold, and they don't like it. The automated Amazon review blog you set up last week, they have seen 100 identical copies of that, and they are not going to buy anything from it. And at however, on your sidebar, well, good luck with that. But it's not all down in gloom though. It's not all down in gloom though. When you have the sort of high quality traffic a blog can generate, it is easy to convert it into leads, sales, and affiliate commissions. You just need a fresh approach, this new method, which is a tool, something your visitors have not seen before, yet something that taps deeply into the human psychology and your visitors' fear of missing out on something. And that's exactly what the Covert Action Bar 2.0 is designed to do. Then the next thing is, then if you continue to read, then it will show you, the different stories, the background, where it is, how it works. You can simply go to that. You can catch that on your page via the link in the description below. And the second important thing is how to convert Action Bar 2.0 works and how it uses deep-rooted psychology to almost force people to click ads. So first of all, the Covert Action Bar is super simple to use and install. One-click install. It's a one-click install WordPress plugin. That means the software will work on any computer. All you need in order to use it is self-hosted and WordPress blog. So whatever type of whatever the type of desktop or a computer you have, whether it's a Windows, whether it's a Mac, it doesn't matter. It's just a plugin. Then after the one click, then it will take you this simple step-by-step yeah, so it is all listed here. All you need to do is you just install it, and with one click it will take you through all those steps, and you fill them up like it is shown in this sales page. And as you can see, you can write any text you want on your covert action bar. You can even use HTML to make the text bold, use different colors, lots of other, easily change the background and font colors on your bars. You can link your covert action bar to any page you want, affiliate link, CPA offers your own site extra. You decide if the link should open the same or new window when people click your covert action bar. This is how it is. Choose if you want your covert action bar to display only the front page of your blog or all pages only and posts. Disable your action bars on tablets and mobile phones. Show your covert action bar immediately. Set any delay seconds you like, and in just a couple of minutes you can have a covert action bar live on your blog. It will look like a normal pop-up local notification from Internet Explorer. It will even play the same familiar sounds. Your visitors will instantly be drawn to the bar to see what was blocked, and then you will have a fully clickable and they're looking something like this. So you can find all of the links on the sales page. So if you press the once again press the white button on the bonus page, you can access the sales page, and you can find all this important information they're written there. And on the top of this product, I have made a bonuses for you. These are custom made bonuses. Custom made bonuses. The first one, the bonus number one is I'm gonna read it for you. Network marketing sales leads that convert on automatic pilot. The second one is the how to recover abandoned website traffic and triple sales and leads. And the third one is how to convert leads into sales for your affiliate marketing businesses. So together with these two, these bonuses will give you a big head up, a big idea how to be successful on your online business endeavors. And on the top of my bonus page, I have included the demo video. So the demo video will show you step by step that is given in the written on the sales page, the information that is given on the sales page step by step by the YouTube videos. So if you click on this yellow, this white button, you will get this demo video, and all of my bonuses 100% free. So to claim all this of bonuses 100% free, all you need to do is click the link down below. That is the link down below. That is listed on the description of the YouTube video. So you can purchase the Covert Action version 2, the Covert Action version 2. As soon as you purchase and go through the checkout, all these custom bonuses are going to be delivered into your instantly 100% free of charge. They are going to be available in your account. That's what you need to do. So this is all about my review video, and thank you for watching, and until I see you next time, thank you for watching.